Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a light switch. First, let's take off this cover. Then remove the two screws of this housing, one on the lower part and the other on the upper part. By the way, I have turned off the electricity supply of the light switch from the breaker to avoid any untoward incidents.
Stop mo muna. Ang tigas. Naman. Okay, to separate this switch housing, you have to clip this.
Just be extra careful not to break any of the locking pins located at the back of the cover of the switch.
Okay.
Just push the two open wires on their proper slots as shown in the image on the left. Then screw them back together tightly to prevent the wires from disengaging with the switch. Then put back the cover and gently push it until you hear a snapping sound, indicating that it's been securely locked. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.